Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. First, log into your Coinbase account and go to Portfolio, then select Bitcoin BTC and click Receive. Copy the Bitcoin wallet address displayed on the screen. Make sure it is specifically for BTC and not for any other cryptocurrency. Next, open the Trust Wallet app and select Bitcoin from your wallet list. Tap on Send, paste the Coinbase BTC wallet address and enter the amount of BTC you want to transfer. Double check the address carefully to ensure it is correct. After that, tap Next and then Confirm. Complete any verification steps if prompted, such as entering your PIN or using biometric authentication. Wait for blockchain confirmation, which can take anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes depending on the network traffic. Finally, log back into Coinbase, go to Portfolio and select Bitcoin. Refresh your balance after the confirmation, and if the funds don't appear, you can check the transaction ID on a block explorer to track it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.